Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making an easy breakfast toast and I will be making it on the stove top. And I have the ingredients right here. I have 3 slices of brown bread. You can use any bread of your choice. I have a piece of onion and 4 pieces of bell peppers, 2 eggs, a sausage, and I also have the Aunt Jemima syrup that I'm going to use for the finishing touch. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my sausage and the vegetables, and I will get right back to make this delicious and easy breakfast toast. I now have my ingredients diced. I have the sausage diced into small pieces. I have my vegetables, and I'm going to go ahead and crack the eggs and mix it all together with the vegetables and the sausage. I forgot to mention that I will be using black pepper and I will also be adding salt. I will now set this aside and prepare the bread. So I took a slice of the bread and I am cutting a square in the center of it, in which I'm going to remove the center and set it aside. I will also repeat this process on the other 2 slices of bread. I preheated my pan on a low heat with a tablespoon of oil, and I'm setting the bread into the pan, and I will be now pouring my mixture, in which I'm going to leave this to sit for a little so that the eggs, the sausage, and the vegetables can cook. Now I will be putting back the center of the bread that I cut out, and I'm going to use a spatula to press it in so that the egg can continue to cook before I flip it on the other side. Look at that. Look how beautiful it looks. So I'm going to leave it to toast on the other side before I remove it from the pot. I will now repeat the same steps on the other slices of bread. I'm going to drizzle the syrup on my toast, and voila, there you have a nice toast that you can share with your family. So remember to like, comment, share, and cook with love always.